And welcome to Sutra Network. From Golden Bird to Global Power, India's economic journey. Imagine waking up one morning to freedom. The air is filled with hope, flags flutter, and the streets echo with celebration. But behind this euphoria lies a harsh reality: famine, poverty, and crumbling infrastructure. This was India on August 15, 1947. Once known as the golden bird of global trade, India's share of the world's GDP had dwindled to just 4%. Millions of people were illiterate. Agriculture barely produced enough food, and industries existed only in a few concentrated pockets. Yet, even in the face of these challenges, India's leaders dared to dream. Dreams of self reliance, modernization, and growth that would benefit all citizens, not just a few. The Green Revolution. As the 1960s rolled in, India faced severe food shortages. Droughts and low crop yields threatened the survival of millions. But then came the Green Revolution, a movement that would transform Indian agriculture forever. Led by the visionary scientist M.S. Swaminathan, India introduced high yield varieties of wheat and rice, modern irrigation systems, and advanced farming techniques. Fertilizers, pesticides, and mechanization became more common on farms. By 1970, wheat production had jumped from 12 million tons in 1965 to 20 million tons. For the first time in decades, India could dream of food security. The Green Revolution not only fed millions but also laid the foundation for rural prosperity, creating the backbone of growing economy. Industrialization and planning. In the 1950s and 60s, India followed a state-led industrialization model. Public sector companies in steel, energy, and transportation were built, creating the backbone of the nation's industry. Steel plants in Bhilai and Durgapur, power plants across the country, and expanding railway networks connected a fragmented nation. But growth was slow. Strict licensing policies, import restrictions, and bureaucratic hurdles stifled private enterprise. The stage was set, but the engines of the economy were just warming up. Despite these hurdles, India's focus on long-term infrastructure and industrial development set the stage for the transformations to come. Economic liberalization of 1991. By 1991, India faced a serious economic crisis. Foreign reserves were dangerously low, inflation was soaring, and the country teetered on the edge of default. The government, under Finance Minister Manmohan Singh, took bold and decisive steps. The rupee was devalued to make exports more competitive. Trade restrictions were relaxed, foreign investment encouraged, and industrial licensing rules simplified. These reforms unleashed private enterprise, boosted exports, and gradually turned India into one of the fastest growing economies in the world. The liberalization of 1991 was not just an economic shift, it was a turning point that opened India to the global stage. Rise of IT and services. At the same time, the world was moving into the digital age, and India was ready with a large English speaking and tech savvy workforce. The country became a hub for IT and software services. Cities like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, and Pune emerged as centers of innovation and outsourcing. Indian IT companies started serving global clients, creating jobs, boosting exports, and enhancing India's reputation as a knowledge driven economy. The service sector became one of the engines of modern India's growth. Today and beyond. Fast forward to today, India is the fourth largest economy in the world by nominal GDP and third by purchasing power parity. From scarcity to abundance, from isolation to global influence, India's economic journey has been extraordinary. Looking ahead, infrastructure development, technology adoption, and sustainable growth will drive India toward an ambitious goal: a $30 trillion economy by 2047. The centenary of independence, young, skilled, and entrepreneurial, India is poised to shape the global economy in unprecedented ways. India's story is one of resilience, vision, and relentless ambition. From colonial deprivation to global recognition, it is proof of what a nation can achieve when determination meets opportunity. And the journey is far from over. The golden bird has soared again, and the skies of global power awaits its fight. watching, and for more such informative videos, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and do visit our website.